Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Landbot in 2026. If you want to become confident building professional chatbots for websites, customer support, and lead generation, this guide will help you step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, spend some time exploring the dashboard so you understand where the chatbot builder, templates, integrations, and analytics are located. Now create a simple chatbot from scratch to learn how conversation blocks connect together. Next, practice adding messages, questions, buttons, and input fields to build interactive conversations. Now learn how to use conditions and branching logic so your chatbot can respond differently based on user input. Next, explore integrations by connecting your chatbot to tools like Google Sheets, CRMs, or email marketing platforms. Now customize your chatbot with your brand colors, logo, welcome message, and widget settings to create a professional appearance. Next, test every chatbot thoroughly using the preview mode and fix any issues before publishing. Now review your analytics regularly to understand user behavior and improve your chatbot over time. Finally, continue experimenting with new templates, automation features, and integrations to expand your skills and build more advanced chatbots. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master Landbot. With regular practice and continuous improvements, you'll be able to create powerful, professional chatbots for almost any use case. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.